Hey guys, Tyler Moore at Sandy Sense of Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Milton, Florida. Hey, today I just want to show y'all this awesome 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We did a build on. We did the lift here, the wheels and the tires. I'll show y'all around it real quick. Does have the one-touch power top on this one. I'll show you all that feature. There's a beautiful inside on this Wrangler. All right. But guys, I want y'all to watch the roof. This button up here, push it one time, and the roof retracts back by itself. Check that out. All right, y'all see it. You get it here at Sandy Sense Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Milton, Florida. Would be great for some of those summer days, going to the beach or the river, or just really just enjoying the day with the roof back. All right, Sandy Sense of Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Milton, Florida. We are here, we are open. Y'all come see us.